So hi guys, last videos we have seen about what methods like static methods and non-static methods and how we are accessing those methods. So accessing those methods in the sense what we have used to only class name for static methods, and without a class also just using a method name we are going to access that method non-static methods. And non-static methods need to create a object. Using the object or reference variable you need to call the method. So this is about what non-static and non-static methods. So now how to pass the parameters. So we'll see the parameterized method. So you have a parameters and you are passing, you are creating an object and you are passing the values for that. So how to do that? So first I have given a statement demonstration of method with passing the parameters. So we'll create a class now, public. So we'll create a class. So I will give a name as what? Demo method and parameter. So parameter. So this is my class name. So inside this I am going to create a two methods. So one is for passing the parameter. So I will use a static method, static void, going not written anything. So we'll use info. We'll use info is a method name. So I am giving you informations, for that I am using a info as a method, and it going to get the two parameters. One is name, string name, comma, int age. So two parameters it going to handle. So now this is about one method. Another method with the addition of two number. So we'll take a name. It is not static, it is non-static, and we are using a name as a sum, and it going to return integer value. It have a two numbers. So one is n1 comma int n2, n1 in the sense number 1, number 2. So this is about two methods. Now we'll create a main method, public static void main. So in this string, so you are using the arguments here. So now save the file with this Ctrl S Ctrl V dot what Java. Save the file. So now we are getting colorful. So I have two methods. This is what non-static method, static method, yes, and one more have a non-static method, non-static method. Okay, two methods we have, one is static and non-static. So now what we are doing in non-static methods, I am just getting the data, I am just printing those values. Okay, so system dot out dot print ln. So I am printing the data here. So name, so or else what will do, name plus comma, I am giving the age here plus age. This is for all three. Okay, I am just printing the name and age which are passing from the main method. So here what I am doing, just I am return n1 plus n2. So now I need to create an object or not. So two methods I have, one is static and non-static. So can call the static method with directly by a method name. So no need of creating an object. Info, I am passing name. So I will give double quotes. Name is what, ABC. So comma integer, the age is what, 18, and with semicolon. So one more, info, that is method name. I am passing x, y, z, and age is what, 22, and with what, semicolon. So I am passing two variables for one method. So non-static method, I need to create an object of a class. Just copy the class variable equals to name and variable. So variable I am giving is what, just give a class name. Sorry. So end with a semicolon. So now I can using the object, I am calling the method. So call which method? So I am calling the sum method, and you are passing two values. Okay, so one is 10 comma 20 I am passing. So this need to be stored, because or else directly you can print in a statements also, or else you can just store in a one variable and print that variable. Okay, I am taking result as a variable, integer variable, and now print the value system dot out dot println. So you are printing what you are printing, result here, and with semicolon sum of numbers is what, that result. So now you are passing the values that you are storing, or else directly can call this method in a that statement system.out.println, it going to print the sum or result. So this is of static and non-static methods with the parameters. So now we'll save this, we have saved the file, we'll execute now. Go to command prompt, java c, paste the file name .java. So I am getting a error. So is I am returning anything here? No, just using a while. So return type is on wrong, that's why it's showing the error. It should be on small static. So here also I've done a spelling mistake, it should be what, int. So compile again. So no errors, Java program name, paste the file name. Yes. So now ABC 18, XYZ 22, and sum is what, 30. 30 in the sense 10 plus 20, 30. So now how you are accessing with the parameters? So one is static method, another one is a non-static method. Then how you are calling the methods, that is also matters. So now what we'll do, so these things will write in some other method, so other class. So we'll write a main method outside the class. So control X. So I will give demo here, demo method. So this is my one class, and for this I am creating a one more class. Okay, class I am giving this method because I have saved this with this method only, this class only. So for that, for main method only I am giving. So this is of closing and class closing. Yes. So now, so with that I am not using any methods here or any class name, just directly I am using a method here. Is it possible? So that we'll see now. So now you are creating an object of what? So you need to create an object of this method, not this one. So now we'll execute and we'll see this errors. So I am getting the error is, so it should not be public. Okay, so this class we can make a public main method. So now still I have error, cannot find the symbol. So now it's showing the error that cannot find the symbol info, because Now you are not in that same class, you are in a different class. Now you can use what? Class name for a reference. So I can't create an object. Now you can use a class dot your method name. So here also class dot method name. So this is possible for static. So now it is not showing any error, but before it was showing that what? Cannot find the symbol, that info, because what will happen? So info, it is not present in that same class. So now you have changed the class. So this is a different class and your main method present in a different class. So before scenario is what? Everything is in a single class, you directly use the method name. But here you have a different scenario now. So now your methods are in a different class, your main method in a different class. That time you have to use class name for what? Your methods. That is compulsory, and you have to create an object of that class where your methods are present. So now Java, and your method name, class name. So this class name I need to take copy and paste now. So now I am getting the value. So hope you understood. Within the class, if you write the static methods, you just calling what? Method name. But when you are writing your methods in a different class and your main method in a different class, that time what you are going to do? So call with your class name with the method name. So if it is non-static, you have to create an object, then only you can call that method or pass the parameter. So next video we'll see with the some other concepts. Till then, practice those programs. So whatever the programs videos we have uploaded, so practice this. It covered almost all the concepts, so practice these programs. Thank you.